Good morning. Today is Saturday, August the 2nd, and today I'm going to be doing a Zoom meeting at school with Moving Mountains in kindergarten or something. I think that's who she is. Anyways, I'm going to do the plan by the month webinar just to see what it's all about and everything. And then I'm going to work in my classroom. There's a package that's coming in today, so I want to get it and I want to open it and I want to show it to y'all. So hopefully I'll do the classroom haul. I've gotten a few stuff in, so I will be able to show you the classroom haul, and I'm really excited because some of the stuff that came in were necessary, or some of the things came from people that watch my video, and that made me feel so special inside, and I know that my kids are going to feel special when they get to get their hands on the puzzles or worry stones and everything that we got in. So I want to show it to y'all. I've been working in my classroom on and off throughout the summer, and this last week Monday I didn't show up because I thought they were gonna do the flooring that day. Well, they did it on Tuesday, and Tuesday I didn't record as much as I could because it was hot in here. I had all the windows open. I even had my door open because the laminate needed to dry and not get cold, and they were doing the hallway because they had done my room. So I was like, ugh. It's like, darn. So I wasn't able to do any really recording that day that much. Maybe I got a few stuff in, but I didn't do as much. Then Wednesday I went grocery shopping, so I did not come up here, and I went to Sam's. So we did all the grocery shopping that we could because we were living on just like finger foods, I guess, snacks. So we got that done, and then after that, Thursday I came up here, and I was recording a few stuff, but I don't know how much I got. I just started working mainly because it was papers. I had like stacks of papers in each of those up here, just stack. And I went over it to see what was needed, what could be thrown away, because if it wasn't needed, if I wasn't going to use it, I need to throw it away because I don't want to keep it. I don't just want to keep stacking all that stuff up. And so I'm going to put my hair up because it's still a little bit warm in here. I just got in and turned on the air. And so yeah, what day was that? So Thursday I did paper stacks and stuff. Friday I came in and I still wasn't feeling like, I recorded, like I was putting up my word wall, and I just realized that I like totally became an amateur that day. I used so much staples, and I fixed it, and then I refixed it again, and then I did it one more time, and then I left it, and then I realized, oh my gosh, it's crooked. So today I'm planning on fixing that for Friday, because Friday I did that. Friday I fixed a few stuff on the in the morning message, because I had forgotten to put up the how many days of school we had been in, so the 10 charts 1 to 180, and I was like, oh, I need to put that up there. And so right now I'm just waiting until 12 p.m. for the webinar to start, so that's why I'm just talking an ear off. I haven't done this in a while because my throat's been like really bad this summer. I think when I came back from Mexico, I just have this sore throat going, and I was trying to talk as loud as I can, and I was like, I'm tired, I can't talk. So I was like just trying to keep my voice and my tonsils like not swollen. So because I'm fixing to start school in actually in August 2nd, and I am going to start teacher work days. So all the teachers are going to show up, and we're going to, on August 7th, we're going to have meet the teacher night, and I'm really excited about that because I want to meet all the students, because yeah, I have met most of them, but my kindergartners are new students except one, so I want to see them. I'm really excited to meet them. I have actually, I think I have 3 kindergarten and 3 pre-K, like transitional pre-kinder, so I'm really excited about that. What else? I've been working in my classroom. I put up, I need to take you around in a few minutes. I guess if I have lunch break or when this webinar is done, because it's about to start at 11, it's 11:53 right now. So once that's ended, I'm going to take you around to show you what I did, and then show you the writing center that I'm setting up. And hopefully when that package comes in, I'll do the haul for us. And then after the haul, I want to put up the thing that I put up some more stuff. I have not worked on my math wall, but it's still blank. But eventually I'll get to it. I know that. Yeah. And then I brought in my 3-drawer cart. I have the orange one, but I have a gray one that I purchased. I purchased 2 on like 3 years ago, maybe 4. I'm not sure. No, not 4, like 3 years ago. I'm pretty sure it was 3 years ago. And I only made the orange one because in the room that I was in, it was really small, and so I was like, okay, if I need it, I'll bring it out. But I didn't. So, but this year I have enough room, and I'm thinking of having one as a reading cart and put like the games on the bottom, my teaching lessons or small group specific skills intervention in the middle, or yeah, and then on the top is some like go-to manipulatives like cubes, Play-Doh, stuff like that we use to count with reading, and then and pens and pencils on top, and just a little like maybe if it was reading like finger reader light flashes and stuff, like the little ones, I'm going to organize them on top. And then for the math one, I'm going to put the math games on the bottom, the intervention and small group materials in the middle that are specific and then that we're working on that week. And then on top, just the same thing, maybe manipulatives, flashcards, spinners, like my spinners. It's just random little items like dice and stuff that will go on top that we might need for like and dry erase markers and stuff like that. On the top. So that's what I'm planning on doing for reading, and I'm going to label like reading card and then math card for small groups, or at least small groups, whole group, whatever, because I can just bring it in anytime. But yeah, because I was trying to do like just materials I need on top, reading on the top, and then math on the bottom, but it was just too much stuff, and I was like, and I don't have that much storage in here. I have only these cabinets back here, and I don't want to put stuff in there and have to go in there and get it every day, bring it out and switch it. So I knew that if I would just put the games on the bottom and then stuff that we were doing that week on the middle, and then the random or little manipulatives on the top. And so I actually, so that's my plan for the gray one. And I actually am going to show you something real quick, because I purchased this. It was like $2.99 or something. It was like about $3. I purchased this kitty flip 30 messages. And oh my gosh, I put it on top of my, right now you're standing on my cube calendar, which had the August, and then I have it 02. Anyways, I just set it on top like that, and then I flipped it. And so when I got here, I had, gosh, and I came in and I sat down and started turning on the computers, and I look at it and I'm like, gosh, I'm like, it just made my day. And so I'm really excited about using these. This one says boo-hoo and this is like longest day ever. And so yeah, I just I wanted some, can I help? And that's, thank God it's Friday. These are cute. I purchased them at, I think it was on Amazon anyways, and it might be in my wish list, Amazon wish list, if you want to see if you can find it there. I'm not sure, but anyways, it's called and this one says Monday Blues. So I'm gonna leave this one up whenever what is it called, for Monday. So when I leave, I'm actually gonna have it set up and everything ready for me to do that. And then so yeah, what is going on here? It's 11:58, so it's not even 12. So yeah, I've had I have a plan. I actually got here later. I did not get here at 8 or 7 or 9 because I didn't want to. I just didn't want to. And I had a burrito. I had a homemade egg, cheese, and sausage scrambled burrito in a tortilla, flour tortilla. Oh, it was so good. I ate 2 of them. It was really, really good. And so I was glad I had breakfast because I didn't want to stop at Sonic or somewhere where they had breakfast early in the morning. And so I was glad about having breakfast early in the morning. And then so I have energy, and I actually need to put my drinks up, so that's what I'm gonna go do. I also turned on the lamination thing, so hopefully I'll be able to laminate some flowers because I really wanted to do to my door. At least put up the paper that goes around the door. So hopefully we'll have a very eventful and very what's the word? Very not eventful, but very busy, very strategically planned day. How about that? Anyways, I have plans and I want to get them done. I don't want to do them all during well, I just want to get them done. I have cleaned the cabinets, so I have enough. I have like 1, 2, 3 cabinets that are empty. So if all else fails, I'll grab the stuff that I do not need out and I will put them in there because I strategically cleaned. So I have a lot of stuff up here, but it has a place. I just need to get to it. We noticed some unused printers. Would you like to remove them? No. Okay. No, I don't want to do that. Okay, anyways, so yeah, I'm really excited. I'm really excited about starting the school year, and I'm really excited about meeting my new students. And I started using this new lanyard that I got. I'm gonna wash the one I got from Andy, the stretchy linen one. Hopefully it's not dirty already. Let me see. No, it's not dirty. Anyways, it's the one I got at Michael's, and then later I'll use the composition one when we get into possibly when we get into testing the kids beginning of the year, because I want to do their beginning of the year testing with if they know their colors and stuff like that.
But I didn't think a Saturday night one would be as enjoyable if people have plans. Everybody's going back to school. So I appreciate you guys being here, and they are literally doing construction right outside of our house. I apologize if you can hear them. I didn't think they'd also be working on a Saturday in the middle of the day. Let me know in the chat where you are from. We're going to get started.